So Beauty on Contact is one of these products that stands right at the very top of the cosmeceutical world. And there's a bunch of reasons why. Number one, it's the most efficacious, and number two, it does no harm. We went to every length to make sure that there were no harmful chemicals, no things in here that would disrupt the body, but only support the best possible skin health on the face. So the ingredients in this product are highly unique because of the form and the way that they're processed. It has hyaluronic acid and niacin as the active medicinal ingredients. Now, both of these substances have been around for decades and used in many different forms until they met in this product. And they go through a very special vortex spin operation that completely and dynamically changes them when you put it on your skin. Now, what's a healthy look? A healthy look is the reverse of what most people are subjected to, with all of the pollutants, all of the harsh abrasiveness of the environment in our skin that allows us to age and not very gracefully. This is a reverse aging skin product because what it does is it brings back your youthful glow. Now, you don't need very much of this product because only 2 drops will deliver a significant result. Now, it starts out with the most results noticed immediately as far as how your skin responds to this product. Because of the niacin and the hyaluronic acid together in this super unique form where it goes right into your skin, you do not have to rub this product on. You literally only smooth it on and you will immediately sense the results. The first thing you're going to notice is a gentle flushing of the skin and some tingling. The more your skin flushes and tingles, the more this product is healing you, the faster it's healing you. As time goes on and the more you use the product, the less your skin will flush until there's literally no flushing and no tingling. You know that when you're at that stage, you have the maximum healthy skin you can have using this type of product. Now, obviously, you're not going to put this on before you go out in the morning. It's not one of those products. This is the kind of product you put on before you go to bed at night and you wake up with a truly transformed face. So every day you use this, it immediately begins to improve. The Beauty on Contact claim is real. You'll see what I'm talking about. Some people are actually quite surprised because their skin is a lot less healthy than they thought it was. So the more the flushing, the more the tingling, the faster the healing, the deeper the healing is going, the more the results you're going to see, and the faster you're going to see the results that you truly want, which is simply a youthful glow with that lovely matte finish, nice hydrated face, less wrinkles, and just feeling really, really good about how your skin looks in your face. When you feel good about how you look, you feel even better about how you feel inside of yourself. When you feel good inside of yourself, that youthful glow comes back out again. So it's a very reciprocal product. Totally fun, amazing. When you use this product, you'll see what I'm talking about, and you will continue to want it in your skin regimen for the rest of your life. It is one of those rare products that is not something you try. It is something you use and you implement it and you integrate it into your entire protocol. So Beauty on Contact is for you to enjoy for the rest of your life.